Get your finances in order with these easy ways to budget your money. You don't need to apply all of these frugal living tips, but choose 3 or 4 of your favourite ones. Most people find the last 3 tips to get them the quickest results. Use a time filter for your purchases. Big purchases can really hurt your wallet if you end up barely using the item. The best way around this is to use a time filter, like waiting 3 days before making any purchase. Reduce your energy consumption. Energy costs are a huge expense for most people, so learning to lower your bills can help budget your money. For instance, change your light bulbs to energy-efficient ones. Get multi-purpose products. Make the most out of your purchases by making them multi-use. This way, you can avoid cluttering your home and avoid spending on unnecessary single-use items. Make a grocery list. Shopping without a grocery list is a surefire way to destroy a budget, so the next time you go shopping, make sure to bring a list so you know exactly what you need. Clear your bills. Do you have any lingering bills or debts to pay? Getting rid of these payments as soon as possible can help you budget your money and save more quickly. Brew your own coffee. It's not news that coffee can eat away your dollars. Fortunately, it's very simple to brew your favourite coffee from the comfort of your own home to help you stay on budget and save some money. Price compare. Price comparing is an excellent frugal living tip that can help you make the best purchases. Before going shopping, check to see which stores have the items you want at the best value. Do you really need it? This question can certainly help you budget your money well. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if you really need the item you're buying. Avoid retail therapy. Retail therapy is another word for spending lots of money on things you don't need. If you find yourself to be highly stressed and anxious, then look for other ways to relax like meditation or exercise. Avoid sales and discounts. Sometimes, sales and discounts are a huge trap for people looking to be frugal. If an item you don't need is on sale, it doesn't mean you should buy it. Only buy the things you need. Know your spending triggers. Knowing your spending triggers can help you avoid throwing away money. The next time you feel like you have an urge to spend, try to remember what caused you to feel that way and avoid it the best you can in the future. Go for no-name. No-name items or generic brand names can really help you save money. These items are often still very high quality, but the prices are much cheaper because they don't carry an established brand name. Stop buying impulsively. Do you have impulsive urges to buy items? Learning to avoid these impulse buys can really help you save money. If you have urges to buy, do your best to wait some time before making a purchase to see if the urge passes. Cancel gym memberships. Unused gym memberships simply take your money without giving you anything in return. If you're looking to exercise but struggling with consistency, then think of starting with a free workout. More often than not, sheer body weight can help you stay fit and healthy, not to mention that it's entirely free. Delete social media. Social media itself isn't a big danger to your wallet, but the many advertisements that pop up can be. If you're an avid scroller of social media, then consider either deleting it entirely or reducing the time you spend on it to help you budget your money best. Make a budget. The tried and true frugal living tip of making a budget is the key to learning to budget your money. By knowing your income and your spending, you can make the best choices for where to put your money and how much of it goes there. Practice no spend. Sometimes, the easiest way to budget your money is to not spend at all. No spend days can help you see life without having to spend and thus allow you to save money in ways you haven't thought about. Evaluate subscriptions. Having more than one subscription for specific services like music or streaming movies and shows can take chunks out of your wallet. So, take the time to evaluate your subscriptions and ensure that you only have ones in use very often. Track your spending. You can't budget your money well if you don't know where your money is going. That's why tracking your spending can help you budget your money properly. Take the time to write down your purchases every day so you can see how much you're spending and where it's going. Use cash. Using cash is an old-fashioned frugal living tip, but it's one that's stood the test of time because it's extremely helpful. For instance, a debit card or credit card's convenience can make you spend more than you want simply because it's so easy. However, cash is limited because you can only spend how much you've taken out. So, use cash to budget your money and only spend what you have. Eat at home. Nothing beats a freshly cooked homemade meal. Not only does it taste fantastic, but it can help you save a lot of money. Also, there are plenty of fantastic budget-friendly recipes that can make cooking at home a real joy for the stomach and your wallet. Set a limit on gift price. Gifts can be costly, especially when bought during the holidays. A great alternative to spending without thinking of price is to set a limit on how much you can spend per person. If you want to challenge yourself, then set a strict limit of $5 per person. Learn to borrow. Whether you're borrowing books, movies, tools, equipment, or clothes, you'll find it's a great way to budget your money. A lot of items we use we don't need to own, so it's better to borrow from friends or family to help you save money.